guys, it's day 2 of the 7, so we are on our way, aren't we, Yossi?
Oh, yeah, look how busy, guys. So busy.
Yep, it's pretty busy.
Left.
We got our flags that we got from Singapore.
Hi guys, now
Siaosi repping the SV squad.
Oh boy.
Oh cool. He's got a chicken on his head. What the heck? We have some vegetables over here. Oh my goodness. Hey, faith YouTubers! Oh my god! I just wanted Jesus from like a mile away. Just saw the camera and I was like, bye! We got our boys! I can see Beck. Oh, where is he? Oh, Sila's head's covering him. But I think there's a wedding going on here. Bro, the Fijian supporters are turning up. The whole stadium is almost filled with Fijian supporters. They're everywhere. Every single corner you look, they are there. Aussie repping the squad. What do you say, Siaosi? Come on, boys! Vamos! Maybe if they let Becca play, maybe we'll get some wins. We have a very upset human being here. Very cranky. Going wild. It was like the whole stadium was going for Fiji. It was such an awesome atmosphere.
It's such a good game.
That was such an awesome game, guys. I cannot express. The atmosphere in that place was just amazing. It's like everyone was up out of their seats, as you guys saw, cheering for Fiji. So, man, I love that the Fijian team, they're so humble. I'm half Fijian.
Are you half Fijian?
Yeah.
Why? Why are you half Fijian?
Okay, guys, good morning. So I'm still repping the Samoa here at home. We had tickets to go today. We didn't go because we were just really fatigued, and we got home late last night. And please also excuse the morning looks because we are quite tired, but he called us and he messaged just before, well, he messaged us last night and was like, I'm playing tomorrow but not sure. Yeah, so then the day that we don't go up, he actually plays, which Siaosi is a little bit upset about, but I just told him it's fine. We've got our live stream set up here, connected to the TV. And we're gonna to be seeing him tomorrow anyways. We're going to try and get some footage with the other Manu boys. I was like to Siaosi, you should do the Siaosi challenge with them. That would be so funny. That would be so funny. Koi Pekka. Oh my goodness, guys. Becca just scored and we are so proud of you.
Guys.
It's gone. Yet controlled possession for the last 2 minutes. Samoa, have they got a response? Have they ever? Samoa, right from the kickoff, will go all the way. Elizabeth Olufetbo. What about that comeback? That's what Seven's all about. Isolation. So easy. 3 defenders there. Just that half breaks the key. And now speed. Luke Traherne was chasing Olufetbo. Thought he could do it. Gave up about 15 to go. Olufetbo under the sticks.
I'm so proud of you, brother. Keep going and keep trying.
Finally, now you know, Gordon. We're so proud of you, Becca. Okay, so we're currently on our way to Sydney to go and hang out with Becca in Darling Harbour, walk around and spend the last night that he has here with him, because they're off to New Zealand for the leg in New Zealand this weekend coming.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Okay, so we finally arrived into Sydney now and we're with Becca. So it was like really difficult to find a park here in Sydney. We finally found one on this strip. I'm not sure what street this is. Macquarie Place. It's 9:30. So you only need to pay half an hour. It's telling you. You just pay $2.10.
Yeah.
Oh, he said. Yeah, go warrior. Lover. Your car doesn't get towed. Come on, let's go. As if there's anyone around here. Fobs and technology. And Becca played today. And he played really, really well. We are so proud of you. This is his last night and we're gonna miss you so much.
Yeah guys, now we're here in the city to spend time with my little brother. Phải sao kala ye nung mà de TV yang ngau à lấy xích à. Phải sao kala pia de cả lúc họ. Mà nó không phải xích chân vậy. Yeah. Yeah, Messi dia de okay kama de smell kupu. Le se la vea. Li ingai ave de li. Le ala se yo ku se ka fau ku ima maka kulit. Ingai sing. O ya o ko o ngofo ye sigi ya o mai mere le hapa. Ka ko e vai. O mai ile hapa ka ko e vai de make ile hapa. Ya. La ko fo ya ku TV ya America hu. Eh? So my door fallela.
Oh wow, that's nice. Yeah, you want me to take a photo in front of that one?
Pui mình marka email la bao o ku lei mo.
This is so pretty.
Oh wait, gosh.
Yeah.
Screenshot that for the video. Now it's almost 11 o'clock at night time, but we're coming back to Canberra now. We come to visit my brother and hanging up with him.
We literally came for 2 hours and now we're going all the way back to Canberra. Then we're gonna come back. So we'll be home for 2 hours and then we're gonna come back.
I'm gonna miss him so much. That's why I'm not care if I'm far from Sydney. Guys, I'm not care.
They can't see you.
That's why we're coming to spend some time with my brother, because almost 2 years, but didn't see someone of my family. Yeah, that's who I am. I know I'm gonna miss him so much. You know, we're far from Sydney.
It's about 3 hours.
It's about 3 hours, but I'm still coming to see him. Thank you guys for coming along with us. Wherever we go, thank you so much. We appreciate you guys. Hope you guys like and subscribe our vlog. Yeah. If you like, just give you a thumb up. We'll see you soon. Peace. Now guys, we're here at the airport. Yeah, just waiting for the team.
I'm so tired. I have not slept.
Yeah.
We came and we took Becca out, as you guys seen, and then
we left that.
We went back home at around just before 11. We got home at around
1 o'clock.
1:15.
Yeah.
And then Siaosi had a short nap, and I stayed up because if we both slept, we wouldn't be able to get up. And so I just stayed up. I almost dozed off, and then I just got myself up and went and drank 2 cups of strong coffee, which I never do drink. And I then came down and woke up Siaosi at around 3.
Yeah.
And we made our way back. We went all the way back home for an hour and a half. But that's because like it was too late to check in to a hotel, and to be honest, it was a waste of money. Like the trip going back home was much cheaper than checking into a hotel. I know that sounds stupid, but yeah, we live that budget life. And I'm so tired, I haven't slept.
We're here at 6 o'clock now.
Yeah, it was a bit earlier than that. And Siaosi drove all the way, so props to him. Thank you, honey.
Yeah.
And then I tried to sleep, but then I looked over to Siaosi and I saw his eyes shutting. I was like, Siaosi, I don't want to die today, right? I'm going to stay up. We're going to get through this by the power of the Holy Spirit. And I just started praying, Lord, give us strength.
Guys,
let your Holy Spirit go with us, give us wisdom, supernatural strength.
I never close my eyes when
and we just
I
give
try.
God all the glory for that.
Yeah.
Because I am exhausted. I have not slept since.
I tell this guy.
I'm not a guy.
Oh, I tell this lady, girl, you better sleep. Don't disturb me.
Yeah, because he was driving, and then I look over at him, and his eyes were like,
no.
Yes, they were, and there was no music playing, which made it even worse. As soon as I seen that, oh my gosh, my eyes just shot open like a big fat balloon, and I was like, honest, I'm not dying. I'm not dying today. I'm not dying today.
To be honest, guys, I never do that. She thinks I sleep, but no. I just look on the dashboard. The limit is 110, but I go 120.
It's our anniversary in 2 days. Oh no, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I'll be married to this man for 2 years.
But thanks God for His protection upon us. Back and forward. Nothing happened. Thanks God. Give praise to God.
Yeah.
Giờ cô đô bố lên với mga bạn ở vlog.
Kidding go kupe o mai in malafale le fa kau ia sama breakfast share mau. Ko o ia ka ka fia mau ia fa mangu ia. Ia o mai. Oh my God.
Yang ari.
Bless ia ma, uma bless for ia ma oi.
Don't worry about us. We have a fast.
A fast. O i vos ia le fast le.
Au non Manu Samoa ro fa peana pekla ko ako.
Backdrop.
Drop you mere ava ku akora wa.
And we're about to say our goodbyes. All of the team is pretty much scattered, saying their goodbyes to their family, and we're still chilling out with Becca here. It's quite upset. I wanted to take some photos with some of them, but they all just walked off. Hello. There's Alatasi Tupo. So we just said goodbye to Becca, and I could not help it. Like, Siaosi was pretty strong, and he didn't cry. And then, well, like the first time. And then when he hugged me, and I could see Becca was about to tear up, and I was like fighting every bit not to cry. And then I cried, and then he cried, and then Siaosi cried.
I miss my brother so much.
I know. And look, there's Kofaku. Hi, Kofaku. And it was just a really sad moment. And I'm tired and I'm emotional because I've had no sleep, so that just made it 10 times worse. And I was so bad because when I hugged him, I heard him cry. Bye-bye, Becca.